Today we'll talk about how can you disable use device authentication on your Phantom app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go above your name, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on security and privacy here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you come here to use device authentication. Click in this sign or this color. So like you see here, so then you click on yes. Then here you use here uh, your code. Like you see here, your device authentication disabled with us now. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.